welcome back to another video. Today we are going to discuss exercise 4.1 second bit, that is check whether the following equations are consistent or inconsistent, and we have to solve them graphically. So we have been given the two equations, 2x minus 3y equals to 8 and 4x minus 6y equals to 9. So first let us write a1 a2. What is a1? Coefficient of x, that is 2. What is b1? Coefficient of y, that is 3. What is c1? That will be equals to minus 8. See, if you see this equation, if we bring this 8 to the LHS, what we get? If we transfer this 8 to the LHS, we'll get minus 8. So that's why c1 equals to minus 8. Now a2 equals to 4, b2 equals to minus 6, c2 equals to 9, minus 9, because we will transfer this 9 to the LHS. So now a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 equals to c1 by c2, right? So a1 by a2, 2 by 4, b1 by b2, 3 by minus 6, c1 by c2, minus 8 by minus 9, right? So 2 1 times, 2 2 times, 3 1 times, 3 2 times, and here we can't cancel anything. So therefore 1 by 2 equals to minus 1 by 2 equals to 8 by 9. So here we can cancel minus minus. So what we are getting here, we have to take minus 3. This is b1 is minus 3, so it will be also minus, so we'll get plus here. See, b1 is minus 3, here we have minus sign, I forgot to take it. So b1 is minus 3, so minus 3 by 6, minus 6 will be 1 by 2. This is plus 1 by 2. So I'll remove this sign of minus. So therefore a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 not equals to c1 by c2. Therefore lines are parallel, right? Lines are parallel. Now what we'll do, we have to solve this graphically, so we need points, right? So now x comma y, here we get x and y, right? Draw the box. Now 2x minus 3y, 2x minus 3y equals to 8. So now if you take x as 1, what you'll get? This is 2, right? If you'll take x as 1, what you'll get? 2 into 1 minus 3y equals to 8. Minus 3y equals to 8 minus 2, because this 2 will go to RHS and it will become minus 2. So minus 3y equals to 6. So y equals to 6 by 3. It is minus, so minus 3. It is minus. Therefore, we'll get minus 2. So y will get as minus 2. So you have to do it for everything. Every x and every y you take. So we'll get 1 comma minus 2. So next, if you take x as 2, so 2 into 2 minus 3y equals to 8. 4 minus 3y equals to 8. Minus 3y equals to 4. Y equals to minus 4 by 3. We are getting it in fraction, so we'll not take 2. So if we take 3, if we take 3 or 4, let us take 4. 2 into 4 minus 3y equals to 8. So 8 minus 3y equals to 8. Minus 3y equals to 0, because this 8 will go to RHS and it will become minus 8. So y is also equal to 0. So x will be 4, y will be 0. So in this way you have to cross verify everything in trial and error method. So x is 4, and here we got 2 points here for this. So for next one we'll do that. So now the equation 4x minus 6y equals to 9. So x, y, x comma y, right? So now we have taken the box. Now we have to cross verify. If we take x value as 1, what it will be? 4 into 1 minus 6y equals to 9. 4 minus 6y equals to 9, right? Minus 6y equals to 5. So y will be minus 5 by 6. So we are getting in fraction, we can't take it because it will be very much difficult to point on the graph. So we'll take x as 2. So 4 into 2 minus 6y equals to 9. 8 minus 6y equals to 9. Minus 6y equals to 1 because 9 minus 8 will be 1. So y equals to minus 1 by 6. So here also we are getting only in just fraction. So here we are getting it 1 by 6. So let us take x value as 6 once. 6 or 0. Let us try 0 first. So 4 into 0 minus 6y equals to 9. So 4 into 0 will be 0. Minus 6y equals to 9. Y equals to 9 by 6 minus. So it will be 3 2 times, 3 3 times. That will be equals to minus 3 by 2. Here also we are getting in fraction only. So let us take fraction also. Now let us try 6. 4 into 6 minus 6y equals to 9. 6 4 ja 24 minus 6y equals to 9. Minus 6y equals to 9 minus 24 will be 9 minus 24 will be minus 15. 9 minus 24 will be minus 15, right? So here negative get cancelled. Y equals to 15 by 6. 3 5s are 3 2s are. So y equals to 5 by 2 we are getting. So it is for x equals to 0. It is for x equals to 6. It is for x equals to 0. So when x is 0, what we get? Y minus 3 by 2. If x is 6, what we'll get? Y as 5 by 2. So 0 comma minus 3 by 2, 6 comma 5 by 2. So now we have C problem, that is 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y equals to 7. So A1 equals to 3 by 2, B1 equals to 5 by 3, C1 equals to minus 7. So now A2 equals to coefficient of second equation of x, that will be 9, B2 equals to minus 10, C2 equals to minus 12. A1 by A2. A1 by A2, what it will be? 3 by 2 by 9, right? So now if you take 9, here we have 9 by 1, denominator as 1, right? So here we'll write 9 by 1. Next what we'll do, we'll send this 9 by 1 above and we'll multiply it, and this 9 by 1 will get reciprocal. How? See, 3 by 2 into 1 by 9. If you send this upside, it will get reciprocal and it will get 1 by 9. So it will be 3 by 18. 9 2s are 18, 3 1s are 3, right? Now 3 1 times, 3 6 times, that is 1 by 6. So A1 by A2 equals to 1 by 6. So now A1 by A2 equals to 1 by 6. So I'll write it in aside. Here we'll write A1 by A2 equals to 1 by 6. Now B1 by B2. B1 by B2. That will be equals to 5 by 3 by minus 10. So minus 10 we can write as minus 10 by 1. So by 1. Again reciprocal 5 by 3 into 1 by minus 10. So it will be 5 by minus 30. So 5 1 times, 5 6 times. So it will be minus 1 by 6. So minus 1 by 6. Next we have C1 by C2. That will be equals to minus 7 by minus 12. So P1 by B2, let us write here, that is minus 1 by 6. C1 by C2 equals to 7 by 12. Minus minus here get cancelled, right? So now A1 by A2, B1 by B2, are they equal? Here we have 1 by 6, here we have minus 1 by 6, so they are not equal. So A1 by A2, not equals to b1 by b2. So they have lines are intersecting, right, and consistent. So now we have to point the points. So we have to find the points where these two lines intersect. So for the equation 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y equals to 7, let us take the x value as -2 first. So we will start from -2 to +2. So if we take x value as -2, what we'll get? 3 by 2 into -2 plus 5 by 3 of 5 equals to 7. So here 2 get cancelled and your minus sign will be remaining. So -3 plus 5 by 3 of 5 equals to 7. So this -3 will send to the RHS. We'll get 5 by 3 of 5 equals to 10. 7. This -3, if we go to RHS, it will become +3. So it will become 10. So y equals to, let us take first 5y equals to, this 3 will send to RHS. What it will become? 10 into 3. Here it is in division. If it goes to RHS, it will become multiplication. So 5y equals to 30. Now here it is in multiplication. 5y is in multiplication. If it goes to RHS, what will become? Division. So y equals to 30 by 5. That will be equals to 6. So y equals to 6. So -2, 6. Next, we will take as -1 as x. So 3 by 2 into -1 plus 5 by 3 of 5 equals to 7. So -3 by 2 plus 5 by 3 of y equals to 7. Now if we send this -3 by 2 to RHS, it will become +3 by 2. So 5 by 3 of 5 equals to 7 plus 3 by 2, right? So 5 by 3 of 5 equals to, now here we have to LCM. So 7 into 2 by 1 into 2 plus 3 by 2. So if we have to get the denominator 2, we should multiply numerator and denominator by the multiple from which the denominator will be equal. So it will become 14 plus 3 by 2. So therefore 17 by 2. Now 5 by 3 y equals to 17 by 2. Now y equals to 17 by 2 into 3 by 5. So 17 threes are, what is 17 3 times? It will be 7 3 are 21 and it will be 51 by 10. So therefore 51 by 10 only let it be, right? 51 by 10. Or we can write it as 5.1 also. So x equals to -1, y equals to 5.1. So -1 comma 5.1. Let us take x value as 0. So 3 by 2 of 0 plus 5 by 3 of 5 equals to 7. So this term will be 0, cancel it. So 5 by 3 of 5 equals to 7. So y equals to, this 3 will go to the numerator, 7 into 3 by 5. So it will be 21 by 5, right? Y equals to 21 by 5. So now if we divide it, 5 4s are 20, we'll get 1 as carry. So point if we take, we'll get 4.2. So therefore y equals to 4.2. So 0 comma 4.2. So next, if we take 1, we said we'll go from -2 to +2, right? So now x equals to 1. 3 by 2 into 1 plus 5 by 3 of 5 equals to 7. So 3 by 2 plus 5 by 3 of 5 equals to 7. So here it is in addition. It will, if we'll send this to RHS, it will become subtraction. So 5 by 3 of 5 equals to 7 minus 3 by 2. So again LCM what will get? 14 minus 3 by 2. That will be 11 by 2. So 5 by 3 y equals to 11 by 2. So y equals to, this 3 will go to the numerator and 5 will become the denominator. So 11 into 3 by 2 into 5. It will be 33 by 10. That will be equals to 3.3. So 3.3. So here the value is 1 comma 3.3. So next we have plus 2. So 3 by 2 of 2, if we take 2 here, plus 5 by 3 of 5 equals to 7. So here 2 get cancelled. We get 3 plus 5 by 3 of 5 equals to 7. So 5 by 3 of 5 equals to 7. This 3 will go to RHS, it will become minus 3. So 5 by 3 of y equals to 4. So y equals to 4 into 3 by 5. That is 12 by 5. So now if we divide 12 by 5, what will we get? 5 2s are 10, right? So 2 carry. So we'll take point here. We can take 0 here. So 5 4s are 20. So it is 2.4. Okay. So 2 comma 2.4. So these are the points that needs to be plotted on the graph. So now we'll solve for this equation. Second equation, 9x minus 10y equals to 12. X, y, x and y. So we have to find x, we have to find y, and we have to also find x and y also. So now x, let us take minus 2. So 9 into minus 2 minus 10y equals to 12. So minus 18 minus 10y equals to 12. So minus 10y. Then what will get this? If we send this minus 18 to the RHS, what it will become? Plus 18, because it will change the sign, right? So minus 18, it will become plus 18. So minus 10y equals to plus 12 plus 18. What it will be? It will be equals to 30. So y equals to 30 by minus 10. So 10 ones are 10 threes are. So y equals to minus 3. So y it will be minus 3. Minus 2 comma minus 3. So next we have minus 1. So 9 into minus 1 minus 10y equals to 12. So minus 9 minus 10y equals to 12, right? We have substituted the value of x as minus 1, and minus 1 into 9 will be minus 9. Okay, then now if we send this minus 9 to the RHS, what it will become? Plus 9. So minus 10y equals to 12 plus 9. So minus 10y equals to 12 plus 9 will be 21. So y equals to 29 by minus 10. So what it will be? Minus 2.1, right? Minus 2.1. So minus 2.1. So what if we take x as minus 1, we'll get minus 1 comma minus 2.1. So x as 0. 9 into 0 minus 10y equals to 12. 9 into 0 will be 0 minus 10y equals to 12. So y equals to 12 by minus 10. So it will be equals to minus 1.2. So minus 1.2. 0 comma minus 1.2. So next we have 1. So 9 into 1 minus 10y equals to 12. So 9 minus 10y equals to 12. Here we have plus 9. If we send it to RHS, it will be minus 9. So minus 10y equals to 12 minus 9. Minus 10y equals to 3. So y equals to 3 by minus 10. So it will be equals to minus 0.3. So minus 0.3. So 1 comma minus 0.3. So we have 2. So 9 into 2 minus 10y equals to 12. So 18 minus 10y equals to 12. So minus 10y equals to 18. Here it is positive. If we send to RHS, what it will be? Negative. So 12 minus 18. So minus 10y equals to minus 6, right? 18 minus 12 will be 6. Here we have negative more, greater number is negative, therefore negative sign. So y equals to minus 6 by minus 10. So minus minus get cancelled. 6 will be 2 times of 3 and 10 will be 2 times of 5. So therefore 3 by 5. So if we divide 3 by 5, 0 point. So here we'll get 0. So 0.6, right? 5 6 are 30. So 0.6. 0.6. So 2 comma 0.6. Okay. So these are the points that needs to be plotted on the graph, and we will see that next on the graph. And these are the points that need to be plotted, and we'll get an intersecting line like this. I have shown you A, B, C problems from the second bit. So I am leaving this D, E, F, G, H and I for you people to practice. So D is coincident, E is also coincident and F is also coincident. Means line of the equation will be above each other. So they will be coinciding with each other. So if it is AB line and CD line will also be same. So they will be coinciding on the graph. Now G is parallel. Parallel means we have solved that parallel lines. So we'll get this type of lines. H is intersecting. Intersecting means like this. They will intersect at a point, at a particular point. And again I will be parallel, same as it is. So parallel are inconsistent. Coincidence are consistent. And intersecting will also be consistent. Right? It will have infinite solution. Intersecting will have one solution and parallel will have no solution. So these are the problems of the second bit. Now we'll move to the third problem of the exercise. So here third question we have, a girl named Neha went to a shop to purchase some pants and skirts. So when her friend asked her how many of each she had bought, she answered, the number of skirts are 2 less than twice the number of pants purchased, and the number of skirts is 4 less than 4 times the number of pants purchased. So now we have to know the number of skirts and the number of pants purchased. So let us take number of pants as x. So number of pants equals to x, right? And number of skirts equals to y. So here read the statement, the number of skirts are 2 less than twice of the number of pants. So skirts equals to 2 less than the twice the number of pants. So 2 less than means what we have to do? We have to minus it, right? So 2x minus 2. So they are 2 less than twice the number of pants. So twice the number of pants are 2x and 2 less means minus 2. So now 2x minus 5 equals to 2, right? Now if we send this y to the RHS and minus 2 to the LHS, we'll get 2x minus y equals to 2, first equation. So next statement is the number of skirts. So again y equals to is 4 less than 4 times the number of pants purchased. What are the pants? X. So 4 times. So 4 into x. How much it is less? 4. So minus 4. So y equals to 4x minus 4. So now if you send y RHS and minus 4 LHS, what will get? 4x minus y equals to 4. This is second equation. So now we have to solve these two equations and then we will get an intersecting point on the graph. That is the number of pants and skirts. So let us solve that. I'm lacking the space here. So here we have 2x minus y equals to 2, 4x minus 4 equals to 4, right? So now first 2x minus 5 equals to 2, x, y, x comma y. So draw the box. Now if we take x value as 0, so 2 into 0 minus 5 equals to 2, right? So minus 5 will be 2. This 2 into 0 will be 0 as it is. So y equals to minus 2. So 0 comma minus 2. 0 comma minus 2. X equals to 1. If we take x equals to 1, what will get 2 into 1? Minus 5 equals to 2. So 2 minus 5 equals to 2. So minus 5 equals to this 2 will go to the RHS and it will become minus 2. So 2 minus 2. Minus 5 equals to 0. So here it will be 0. 1 comma 0. So let us take 2 also here. So 2 into 2 minus 5 equals to 2. So 4 minus 5 equals to 2. So if we send this 4 to the RHS, minus 5 equals to 2 minus 4. So minus 5 equals to minus 2. So minus minus get cancelled. Y equals to 2. So 2 comma 2. So 3 points are enough for us to plot the graph. So next equation we have 4x minus 5 equals to 4. X, y, x comma y, right? So x equals to 0. So 4 into 0 minus 5 equals to 4. So minus 5 equals to 4. Then y will be equals to minus 4. So 0 comma minus 4. So how minus y equals to 4 and y equals to minus 4? So if you multiply both the sides with minus, what you will get? Here you will get plus 5 and here you will get minus 4, right? So in this way y equals to minus 4. Next, x equals to 1. So 4 into 1 minus 5 equals to 4. So 4 minus 5 equals to 4 and minus 5 equals to 4 minus 4. If we send this to RHS, it will become minus 4. So minus 5 equals to 0. So 1 comma 0. Then we have x equals to 2. X equals to 2. 4 into 2 minus 5 equals to 4. 8 minus 5 equals to 4. Minus 5 equals to 4 minus 8. This 8 will go to RHS and it will become minus 8. So minus 5 equals to minus 4. So minus minus get cancelled. Y equals to 4. 2 comma 4. Okay. So these are the points that needs to be plotted on the graph. So if you don't want points and you want to know easily the answer, if you have confusion in the graph, if you want to verify the answer with the graph, so what can you do? You cross multiply them or you solve these two equations. How? 2x minus 5 equals to 2 you have, right? 2x minus 5 equals to 2 you have, and 4x minus 5 equals to 4. So solve them. So it will be minus plus minus. So y get cancelled. So minus 2x equals to minus 2, right? Here plus 2x minus 4x. So minus 2x. Here plus 2 minus 4 minus 2. So minus minus get cancelled. X equals to 2 by 2. X equals to 1. So you have got the x value. What were the x? X were the pants, right? X were the pants. Y were the skirts. So now if you substitute this x value in this equation, you will get 2 into 1 minus 5 equals to 2. Minus 5, sorry, 2 into 1 will be 2. 2 minus 5 equals to 2. So minus 5 equals to 2 minus 2. We are sending this to RHS. So minus 5 equals to 0 or y equals to 0. So pants are 1 and skirts will be 0. So on the graph, these lines will intersect at 1 comma 0. Okay, so this is how you should solve the problem. Fourth problem, we have 10 students of class 10 took part in mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, then find the number of girls who took part in the quiz. So we have the statement number of girls is 4 more than the boys, right? So total how many are participating? Total will be 10, right? 10 students. So let boys be X and girls be Y. So what are Y equals to? Girls, how many are there? Number of girls is 4 more than the boys, so X plus 4. So now here total we have X plus Y equals to 10. So here in the place of Y we will substitute X plus 4. So X plus 4 equals to 10, right? This Y equals to X plus 4. That's why we are substituting X plus 4 in the place of Y. So X plus X, 2X plus 4 equals to 10. Okay, now we'll solve this here. So 2x equals to 10 minus 4. 2x equals to 6. So x will be equals to 6 by 2. That will be equals to 3. So x equals to 3. So number of boys equals to 3. Now what is the number of girls? Girls will be equals to x plus 4, right? So x plus 4, that will be equals to 3 plus 4, that is 7. So therefore number of boys equals to 3, number of girls equals to 7. So here they have not given to draw the graph. So now if you have to draw the graph, how you will do that? So I'll show that. So total we have 10, right? So total, that is equals to 10. Boys are X, girls are Y. So X plus Y equals to 10. X plus Y equals to 10 is the first equation. So here girls equals to, how many are girls? 4 more than the boys. So Y equals to X plus 4. So X minus Y equals to minus 4, or Y equals to X plus 4 you can take as second equation. So now we'll draw the graph. X plus Y equals to 10. X, Y and X and Y. X, Y and X and Y. Right? So let us take X value as 6. So 6 plus Y equals to 10. So Y equals to 10 minus 6. Y equals to 4. So 6 comma 4. So now if you take X value as 4, reciprocaling just, so 4 plus Y equals to 10. Y equals to 10 minus 4, that will be equals to 6. So 4, 6, 4 comma 6. So these are the 2 points that needs to be plotted on the graph. Next we have Y equals to X plus 4. Y equals to X plus 4, right? So here we have X, Y, X comma Y. So now let us take the X as 4, X as 2 or X as 4. So Y will be X equals to 4 plus 4. Y equals to 8. So 8, 4 comma 8. Now you take X equals to 2. Y equals to 2 plus 4, that will be equals to 6. So 2 comma 6. So you have these 2 points that need to be plotted on the graph. Then we will get an intersecting point. We'll get an intersecting point as 3 comma 7. So there these 2 lines will intersect on the graph, and you will get the boys as 3 and girls as 7. So that's it for today. So in the next video we will start the fifth problem, that is of pencils, something 5 pencils and 7 pens. So we'll solve that in the next one. So till then, practice the graphs and solve these problems once again for the revision. Thank you for watching.